Hi, my name is Carl and welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to sort out photos in Lightroom using filters for a specific camera model or a specific lens or any other metadata. First of all, you need to be in the library section of Lightroom, and within the library you have a few different views and you can toggle between them. So you have the grid view and you have the loupe view. And normally I never leave the loupe view when I'm in the library section. So I have all those miniature photos here in the film strip so I can easily identify the photos I need. I also have the most frequently used filters for me, like flagged images, rated or colorized or a color marking. And I have access to all those filters right here. But if you want to find photos from a specific model, you need to go to the grid view, and you see that you have actually more filters here than you have down here. And you don't have access to these in the loupe view for some reason. Alright, and here you want to go to the metadata, and in this library I have 4 different cameras. I have my compact camera and my crop sensor camera. So let's say I want to see only photos from my Sony a5100. I will find them here, and I can also toggle between the loupe view and the grid view by double-clicking a photo and double-clicking it back. And you can also toggle between the two by using the keys. You have the E for loupe view and the G for grid view. As you can see here, there is a G and an E. And you can also sort by the lenses you have used. So in this library I have my Sigma 16 1.4, 30 1.4, 56 1.4, and I also have the kit lens 16 to 50, and I have the 18 to 105 f4. Alright, so I also want to show you another way of sorting out photos taken with a specific lens. So now I have moved back to the loupe view, and here I have a photo with some metadata, and as you can see it's taken with a Sony 6400, and for some reason I can't filter on the camera model. But when it comes to the lens, you can see that I have taken it with my Sigma 56mm 1.4. And here there is also a little tiny button. So here I can show photos taken with this lens. And as you can see here right now, there are no filters applied. And once I press this one, it says custom filter. So it doesn't really say what filter I'm using right now, but I happen to know that it's the Sigma 56mm f1.4. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions regarding this. From Sweden with love. Thanks for watching.